Says tugi na mong Biztalk, uban kang Pancho Magno.
Kumusta ho nato this morning sa Biztalk ang soon-to-be daddy, ang ato ang kapuso artist nga si Pancho Magno. Hi Pancho, may buntag.
I'm okay. Kamusta kayo?
Eto, mabuti naman at masaya kami na
Morning.
nakasama ka namin this morning. Kumusta na kayo ni Max?
Yes. Oh, no, so far so good. Honestly, to be honest, talagang yung pinansi sa kanya, hindi namin na-imagine na sobrang good boy lang ni baby. Kasi naging sobrang comfortable siya. Siguro nung first trimester medyo, pero hindi nga siya the good thing about it kasi hindi yung craving niya is like gusto niya ng soup, gusto niya ng mga tinola and alam mo yun, masabaw, which is good for the baby too.
Congratulations in advance sa inyo ni Max. How do you feel right now? Kasi malapit nyo na makakasama yung baby boy nyo.
Actually, alam mo, if you think about it, it's a very like the positive thing about the lockdown, the pandemic is you have more time with your family. So kasi pareho kami ng work, pareho kami line of work, most of the time hindi rin kami nakikita. So when we plan to have a baby before Christmas and we're blessed now, so tapos biglang nangyari to. So ngayon talagang we treasure every moment. So sobrang excited kami.
You and Max, you've been very vocal and very firm about giving birth at home. Kumusta yung preparations nyo for the home birth?
May pool na, meron ng water birth nga actually, and may pool na kami. We had a meeting with our midwife and doula. We attended classes na. So it's more of ang pinaka namin is nag-research talaga kami about the situation and about the process of having home birth and water birth. So we're super happy and excited. Actually, like ngayon kinokompleto na namin lahat ng mga kailangan namin, like mga diapers and yung mga needed yung mga nasa hospital na kaya namin gawin dito sa house.
You mentioned earlier na aside from being an actor, you're also a registered nurse. Nakatulong ba ito sa decision nyo to give birth at home and push through with it?
Andun yung pinag-aralan mo, but at the same time, iba yung experience mo pag family mo you know? It's a meron kang konting iiyak ka. Ganun kasi anak mo asawa mo kapag nakita mong sumisigaw siya or what, parang iba yung mas masakit sa'yo
So let's talk about you being a first-time dad, Pancho. Which part of sa pagiging daddy ang pinaka-excited ka about?
And I'm excited to know myself being a dad too. Anong bagong malalabas ko within me being a dad, being ganun ba talaga ako ka-patient? So, it's very, very exciting, yeah.
So for sure, magiging cool dad ka talaga. You'll be the best version of yourself, Pancho.
I really hope so.
Kasi years from now, Pancho, your son will be able to watch our interview this morning dito sa GMA Regional TV Live. What would you like to tell him?
But we're so blessed to have you in our lives and we're just here for you. We're so proud of you. We love you.
Thank you, Pancho, for that message.
Thank you,
thank you
Cecil.
for
Thank
joining
you.
us.
Thank you.
Ingat kayo and congrats in advance.
Thank you, guys. Ingat kayo.
And that was Pancho Magno, mga kapuso, na mipaambit ka nato sa ilahang preparasyon alang sa ilahang home birth, sa ilahang first son ni Max Collins. Busa mga kapuso, at ang ipaang dugang impormasyon, dinhilang si GMA Regional TV Live.